Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews doing another video today. In today's video, I have two cases from Tudia for my Galaxy S9 Plus. But before I get into that review, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, yes, I'm going to review these two cases for my Galaxy S9 Plus. Shout out to Tudia for sending these to me for review. They sent me out the merge case in matte black, which I think this one comes in 4 different colors. I will have the link in the description. You can pick them up from Amazon. This one is their Arc S series, and I got this one in frosted clear. But definitely shout out to them for sending these two cases to me for review. Let's look at the packaging. Look at that. I'm going to start off with the merge first. If you want to pause that, you can pause that and read it. I mean, Tudia has been making some great cases lately for my other devices. Look at that. Tudia merge. You have some branding back here too. Bam. There you go. Let's just check out the case. You have your volume rockers, plus and minus, and then your Bixby button. On the right hand side, you have your power button. Look at the top, microphone cutout. And then also look at the bottom. You have your cutouts for all your ports, even the headphone jack. Look at the inside. That's a nice looking case. Let's pop this bad boy in and check out the case itself. I don't know if you can see that. It has little ridges for extra grip. The power button definitely works. The fingerprint scanner works. Two things we always want to check out really quick. The lip action, look at that. You can see it gives you good protection. And then also camera hump. Bam, that works too. And it leads you right into the fingerprint scanner, which is great. Let's check out the volume rockers. They definitely work. Let's make sure we turn the ringer off. The the cutouts at the bottom, they look great too. Look how much room you have on the headphone jack and the USB Type-C. So you don't have to worry about taking the case off and charging your phone. The cutout at the top too, look, that works out great. Man, this is a great case. I will be rocking this. You have that extra protection because that is plastic. That's not the TPU rubber. That is definitely plastic. Protects your phone. Man, this is a great case. So let's check out the next one. The Arc S. That one has less protection, but it still looks great. Let's check this out really quick. It has the same packaging. Bam, look, I got it upside down. Same packaging in there. But let's check out this case. Look at the inside of this one. So you have your volume rockers, your Bixby button, same cutouts. They look great. And you have your power button. There's some branding there. I don't think my U11 will pick it up, but there's a little Tudia brand in there. But it has extra grip too. Let's see if I can catch that. Extra grip there too. But let's check it out. Man, that fits good too. Lip protection. It gives you some. Not as much as the merge, but it does give you some protection. The camera hump, again, gives you protection. You put your phone down, you don't have to worry about scratching up your lens. Let's check out the power button. Definitely works. Fingerprint scanner works. Say that again. Get out my apps. You can hear the volume rockers. Looks great. Look at the bottom. Man, that all lines up beautifully. Then at the top, your microphone cutout lines up too. But this one is extra grip. Now, you won't get that drop protection like you get with the merge, but this one will protect your phone from scratches. Look at the back. It will keep that beauty thing looking beautiful. It gives you the clear. You get to see the Samsung and the Galaxy logos on there. But yeah, definitely this is a nice case. Checking out some golf. Go Tiger Woods. But yeah, if you want to pick up this one or the merge, I will have both of them. The link in the description. That way you can pick it up from Amazon. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.